All right, Pink decides how many they're gonna save each. 2 bills each time I roll. Okay, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be doing my matcha tea savings, and I'm bringing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, $45 into the savings today. And I also had something for the rollovers that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I also had $8 in rollover. Okay. All right. So today we should be getting everything completed because we're going on that end of the month one. Okay. All right. Get this set up. Number 6 was completed last week, so I'm going to leave that there. All right, Pink decides how many they're going to save each. 2 bills each time I roll, okay? Oh, that's number 6, isn't it? Here we got a 1, okay? Now we have a 3. Now we have a 5, number 5. Get in 2 bills. All right, 6. We don't have a 6. Okay, let's go to the next roll. Next roll is a 2. 2 again. Number 3 gets 2 bills. Number 1 gets 2 bills. All right, number 5. All right, number 1 gets 2 bills again. All right, number 1 again. Number 4. Okay, number 3. Mixing myself up here. All right, number 5. Number 6, there's no 6. All right, number 5. All right, 2 bills for number 1. No 6. All right, 2 bills for number 2. 2 bills for number 1. Number 2 again. Number 1. Number 3. See what we got left. All right, number 5. I'll put these here. Okay. All right, let's get everything and see where we are with these. And we're going to roll these today until they're done. All right, that's number 1 spot. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, so this one needed 7 more to be complete. Let's see how much we got for this number 1 spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got it. We more than got it. Okay. Okay, so we got 5. That down. 6. We needed 7 more. This is all going to go to another roll. Okay. Here. Make sure we have the right amount. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, and I created this challenge. It's over my Ko-Fi shop. It's the Matcha Tea Savings Challenge for the Rolling Saves. All right, the number 2 spot today. So this one was completed. I'm going to put it over here with the 6. Move this here. It's over here. It's already done. All right. Number 2 received how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got $8 today. Let's see how much it needed to be completed. It needed 10 to be completed. Okay. So this one will live to go to the next round then. Okay, but it's got, what did I say, 7? 4. Okay, so that one got $8 more. Okay. This number 3 one, it needed a lot. Let me see how much you got today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It got $8. So I know I can mark 2 of these. 8, 9. I have 12 in here now, so it can be 4 because these are worth $3 a piece. So this number 3 goes to the next round. All right. The number 4 spot, it needed, what's that, 8 more. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Okay. Because it has so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And these are worth $2 each. 20, 22. So it just needs $2 more to be completed. So 4 is staying as well. Now number 5, let's see. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm quite sure this one's done. Because it only needed 2 more. Okay, let's take those 2 and mark these 2 off. All right. So it saves 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. This challenge is Doodle Dollars over on Ko-Fi, and she's on YouTube. And that is the number 5. It is also done. So 1, 5, and 6 are done, which means we have 2, 3, and 4. All right, 2, 3, 4. See how they do. And what were we saving? Let's do it again. Each one will get 4 bills. Okay. That's a 6. 6 again. 2, 3, 4. That's a 1. That's a 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 bills. Okay, the rest of them will go right here. Now let's just see. This will be the deciding round. This should, let's see if they all, like, was it generically, like, finish themselves. Because this dice, it seemed to be favoring, like, 6 right about now. I don't understand that one. It's really favoring number 6 right now. Okay. Let's go over to 2. Let's start with just 2 and see how much it needed now. Okay, so it only needed $2. Let me give it the $2 it needed. But it ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 50? That's amazing how that happened. So that one ended up getting 15. but it only needed 2. All right, so it's complete. This is a matcha tea challenge. Is in that set that I created. All right, 2 you come out the mix. Okay, number 3. Wow, 1, 2, it only got 4. Okay, this one only got 4. Let me see how many it needed. Needed a lot, didn't it? Okay. So we can just generically mark off 1 more. Okay, but okay, so that's the number 4 spot. That's the number 3 spot. Now let me see what number 4 ended up getting. Let's put this here. Not really a problem. All right, number 4 needed how much more? It only needed $2 more. And it got 4 today. Okay, but it needed 2. Well, the second round anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this away for this because I said I wanted to get all of the challenges completed. Now, what? And this challenge is by Doodle Dollars over on YouTube and Ko-Fi. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is start adding some different challenges coming up. But let's see if we can. How many more we needed? How many more did we need for this? We need like 2, 4, 3, 6, 9, 12. Should have that. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That should finish that one. What, I got $3 left over? Okay, let's see. Make sure that's 27. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, there's one more left. Okay, so this one is completed. So this one saved me 27, and this one was by Cash and Calling, and that is a completed challenge now. And this matcha tea savings, it saved me 20, and this one is one of my challenges. It was completed. It's like it likes go along with this whole theme. This is another matcha tea. My challenge is saved 20. Just want to make sure I have the creators up on here. Number 4, Doodle Dollars. It saved 24. Number 5 is Teacher Mom Budgets. It saved 20. And number 6 was Melissa Manages, and it saved 15. And it's a completed challenge as well. All right. So everything ended up being completed, and then I have $3 to roll over, and I'll get everything. All of the challenges that I'm doing, it'll end up being in one video, and I will be moving the money over to my month ahead fund because that's what the challenges are going towards right now. Which month ahead and emergency fund is the same for me, and that's all going towards my 10K goal. All right, until next time, have a great day. Bye.